Indeed. Since clustered water are able to move freely through the cell walls, it effectively removes waste and toxic substances, making it a powerful detoxifier as well. Small clustered water also hydrates the cells right away. Hydrated cells is a healthy cell because it increases the oxygen carrying capacity of the cells by 38%. Also, it can maintain proper communication between the cells, enhancing its performance and stimulating it to be active cells. To prove the increased oxygen carrying capacity of the cells by just simply drinking oxygenated pie water, an experiment was conducted placing a goldfish inside an airtight container. Given the calculated necessary volume of oxygen, the goldfish can only survive for about 3 to 4 days. However, when oxygenated pie water was used instead of conventional water, the fish survived for 216 days. This is due to the high oxygen content of our product. Oxygenated pie water can provide your body with added oxygen. This creates a cellular oxygen-rich environment that inhibits the growth of viruses and bacteria and destroys anaerobic organisms. It can also increase the body's stamina and energy level. In fact, the small clustered water of oxygenated pie makes it a perfect energy booster drink. Oxygenated pie water is a drinkable energy. It takes drinking water to the next level by passing on its energy to its consumer. Oxygenated pie water is activated and energized by the use of bioceramic balls with ferric ferrous salt and far infrared ores. When iron salt interacts with the far infrared ores, a charge occurs in the nucleus of the iron atom, causing the atom to be highly energized iron atom, radiating electromagnetic waves or auras. This is proven by the Kirlian photo, which shows the difference in aura or energy level coming from ordinary tap water versus oxygenated pie water. After drinking it, the bioenergy of the water is added to your body. This goes to show that the water is living and is full of life force energy. Another evidence that shows oxygenated pie water is a drinkable energy is the experiment where saltwater fish and freshwater fish are placed in the same aquarium. If we use conventional water, they will die within an hour. This is because of the difference in saturating pressure. But with oxygenated pie water, it can provide bioenergy to help their adjustability to severe circumstances. And this is the reason why both these fishes survive living in the same aquarium. The efficacy of oxygenated pie water are attested by laboratory experiments and personal experiences as well. For example, a test was conducted in Japan where 2 laboratory mice was injected with PCB. The first group was injected with 0.5 ml of PCB diluted in distilled water. The second group of mice was injected with the same amount of PCB, but this time it was diluted in oxygenated pie water. After 72 hours, the first group of mice developed cancer cells on their tails. But the second group that used oxygenated pie water retained their healthy tails and no cancer cells developed. The same positive effect was experienced by engineer Ernest L., who was diagnosed with cancer of the lymph nodes. A prominent hospital in the Philippines confirmed that it was at stage 4. Engineer L. tried taking oxygenated pie water, and to his surprise, after drinking the water for just 20 days, the diagnosis turned negative as evidenced by the report of the same hospital. Reniel Sepe and Renzel Sepe are 9-year-old twin boys. Renzel was diagnosed with brain tumor at the back of his eyes. But after drinking oxygenated pie water, in just 3 months, a CT scan revealed a negative result of the tumor.
It was on the second week of July 2002 when Hema Onco Dr. Dalisay of PGX Cancer Institute announced and confirmed that the final diagnosis of my grandson, Christian Clark Ligani, a 3-year-old boy, to have a chronic myelogenous leukemia. No cure, hopeless case according to them. He said maybe through bone marrow transplant, which cost 3 million pesos. I said, oh, wala kang magagawa. So, it was indeed a very painful route. So, we submitted to the doctor's prescription, chemotherapy. After 30 bags of blood transfusion, chemotherapy, infections after infections. Nag-enlarge ko po yung kidney, nagka-pneumonia na, and yung diarrhea, and everything. The boy was really in severe pain. Yung bang makita mo na lang na nanginginig na po ang laman, bone and skin. Sabi ko, Lord, ano ba? Anong hiligin ko sa'yo? Surrender na lang po ako. Till one blessed Sunday, Sister Kawa saw the boy, and he offered me pine water. October 3, the boy was scheduled to check up, and the boy went home. At talagang, ano na ba yung malalim ng kanyang mata? Tapos talagang, ayaw ko na siyang tingnan, hindi ko na kaya. Please, the baby is now diarrhea. Pwede bang may madalang pine water? The whole night, pinainom namin yung pine water. The whole night, the boy was really sleeping in pain. Yung bang nakarest lang siya, hindi na siya tumatay. Tapos, sabi ko, talagang hindi ako makatulog dahil inobserbahan ko yung baby. Hindi na po siya nagtayo ng magdamag while that whole day, halos 10 times siyang talagang tumatay at tubig na tubig. So, from that time, pine water na po yung binibigay namin sa baby. After 3 weeks, indeed, the baby was getting well. Kinuha siya ng CBC, nag-normal po yung, ano niya, yung breath niya. October 26, we went to the hospital, PGX. Sinunan siya ng bone marrow analysis. And it took us another 2 days na maghintay sa result. And indeed, the doctor was so amazed. Sabi niya, oh, indeed, ang resulta, the boy is in remission. Ibig sabihin, gumagaling po yung baby. Sabi niya, no cure. Sabi niya, na siya, naglalaro ng gang, and I know God will completely heal this baby. And this is this good news. Marami pong nangangailangan, marami pong leukemia victims sa PGX, wala po silang pera, there are many children.
Oxygenated pie water can help people suffering from cancer, arthritis, hyperacidity, obesity, cardiovascular disease, kidney disease, asthma, stroke patients, prostate cancer, diabetes, tumors, and many others. Although UltraPi oxygenated water is not a medicine, the prestigious National Consumer Award honored us by awarding our product the Best Medicinal Water Award in 2005. If you're under medication, UltraPi oxygenated water will make it work faster and easily absorbed by the body. And if you're not sick, you still have all the reasons why you need to drink oxygenated pie water. It's a great thing we have oxygenated pie water, a perfect solution to keep ourselves hydrated. It's a powerful body acidity balancer It is easily absorbed by the body. It can penetrate the cell wall due to its small clustered water molecules. It can enhance cellular hydration. It can energize the cells, making it a perfect cell rejuvenator. It enhances removal of toxins, making it a powerful detoxifier. It can increase the oxygen carrying capacity of our cells, and it can effectively boost the energy level of our body and increases its stamina. Supplement your body with the much needed life-sustaining water. Take Oxygenated by Water.